What's up, Cool Nation? This is your boy One Cool Mike, back in effect with another video. Today I'm going to start my brand new lawnmower. I have bought a Toro lawnmower because my Craftman went out on me. I bought it in 2019 or 18 or 19 respectively, but it went, so I have to go and buy a new one. But check it out, this right there, that's the Craftman right there. I don't know, maybe if anybody wants it, maybe you could fix it. Maybe it's a spark plug, or I don't know, air filter, whatever, but I had that for maybe 5 years, whatever. So if anybody want that, reach out to me and I'll give it to you for free. It comes with the bag as well. But now this is the new Toro right here. This is right here, recycler, the new Toro, right? You know, it's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't use it for the first time. I'm putting oil in it, right? So that's what I'm about to do right now. I got it came with the oil right here. What's that? W30. So let's pour the oil in there for the first time. Okay. I don't want to put too much or too much. See the dipstick right there? It should just go where the two notches at right there. Let's check it out. Okay, I guess that's decent, right? Let's check it again, because that's very important when you put the oil in. Yeah. Okay, I think I need a little bit more than that. Top it up. Okay. Let me check it now. All right, that's pretty good. All right. So this is a Toro. It's right here. Smart stove, guaranteed to start. Okay, we got to put some gas in there. I got to go to the gas station and get some gas because I don't have no gas. So, you know, this is it. You know, this is Toro. They said they're reliable right here. Toro. And it comes with a lot of other things they sell as well. So let me go and get the gas, and this be my first startup. Hey, Cool Nation, I went and got the gas. I'm putting the gas in the Toro. Leave a comment below. Is Toro better than the Craftman? Look like it holds a lot of gas. Okay, got the gas in. I'm gonna put the cap back on. Let's see how this brand new Toro recycler lawnmower. I put the oil in. I like the handle right here. Let me see. Oh, I probably it's going to be hard for me to start with the camera. Hold on. Let me see if I can get my stand. Let's see if it starts on the first try. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new Toro. Nice, man. I like to hear the sound of a brand new lawnmower. Like I said, if anybody wants this Craftman, hit me up. Check it out. it cuts, but this is automatic, man. Like when you push it forward, you don't have it pushes itself. I can't believe that. So like when you go like this, like bring it that way, it's self-repel. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta learn how to do that. All right. So this was just a short video on my brand new Toro. Like I said, um, you know, it cut, but it looked like it didn't go in the bag. It went on the side. So I gotta read it. You know what I'm saying? Say I gotta. Oh, you see this switch right here? Now it'll go in the bag. Oh, okay, because I had the vent closed. Hey, that's a learning experience. That's what life is about. So this is just a short video on getting a Toro recycler. You know what I'm saying? So let's try it one more time and let's see how it does. See, I learned something. So the release is so it can stay in the bag right there. So if you want it to go in the bag, you gotta have this down. If you don't want to go in the bag, you have it up. Right? So it's a learning process. So please like and comment and subscribe to the video. Until next time, peace.